Buddy. Look.
Kuno.
Look.
Kuno.
Kuno.
Kuno. Kuno.
Kuno.
Kuno. Kuno.
Oh.
Oh.
Damn, he's pretty good at unwrapping these things. Here, buddy. Here.
Kuno.
Grab this side.
Kuno. Oh.
Look. Look,
No,
bud.
no, not the paper.
Hold this. Thank you. Kuno.
No, he says thank you.
You're so cute. Go give Annie a kiss. Go give Annie a kiss.
No.
Give Annie a kiss.
Oh, ow. It hurts so much.
I know.
I'm spoiled today. It's Christmas, Kuno. It's Christmas. Christmas, Kuno. It's Christmas. Which one you want? Which one you want? Which one? Get this one. Get this one.
That one you got looks like you can kill somebody with it.
Oh, little baby. Oh.
That thing's just as long as him.
We started this end. Get you this one.
That's rawhide to last them like 2 days.
2 days.
Now you won't chew anything else, huh, buddy? Please? Oh, now you got him started.
But now I got bone. I got bone. Bone. Can you go bone?
Kuno bone? Bone? God, if he's